The I-Team investigation tonight at a Tampa father who is fighting to be a parent to his 5-year-old daughter. She was taken by an adoption agency days after she was born without his knowledge and without his consent. The case is an example of what can happen when parents are not married in the state of Florida and a father's rights have yet to be established. Here's I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern.
What do you think when you see these pictures?
I think that they took a lot from me. A lot from me. I miss my daughter growing up. Well, yeah, she's 5 now. She just had a birthday.
From the time she was born, Ulysses Carwise told the Department of Children and Families he wanted his daughter, but he needed to prove he was the father and establish his rights because he and the child's mother, who put the baby up for adoption without his consent, weren't married.
I went up there to see the baby wasn't there. And I said, "You did what?"
An element of the ongoing case, Florida's putative father registry. The state's Department of Health website states the purpose of the registry is to permit a man alleging to be the unmarried biological father of a child to preserve his right to notice and consent in the event of an adoption.
If you surveyed, let's say, 1,000 people randomly across Florida, how many do you think would know that that birth father registry exists? And I bet it's tiny, if any.
Because of that, Adam Pertman, president of the National Center on Adoption and Permanency and an adoptive father himself, is critical of these types of registries.
They're ostensibly set up to ensure fathers' rights. You know, if you sign up, you can access and parent your own kid. In practice, that's not typically how it goes. In practice, in Florida and elsewhere, more typically they're used to cut fathers out.
Carwise completed the registry, which asks men to provide their contact information, a physical description of the mother, and the date, place, and location of conception, but was then questioned about the timing of when he filled it out. According to state law, the claim of paternity with Florida's registry may be filed at any time before the child's birth, but may not be filed after the date a petition is filed for termination of parental rights. And there is a required $9 filing fee.
It's providing the state or some misguided professionals, in my view, with the ability to say, "Sorry, pal, you're out of the picture."
A judge in Orange County ultimately denied a petition to terminate Carwise's parental rights, but an attorney for the prospective adoptive parents filed a new petition in Hillsborough County, a legal fight that continues on.
Adoption should genuinely be about finding families for kids who need them, not finding kids for families who want them.
Tonight, we show how and why a fight to terminate parental rights can go on for years with a child at the center. In Tampa, with photojournalist Randy Wright, I'm I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern, taking action for you.